Once upon a time, in the cozy village of Evergreen, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her sparkling blue eyes and her gentle spirit. She spent her days exploring the forests and meadows that surrounded Evergreen, always accompanied by her faithful companion, a mischievous squirrel named Nutmeg. One bright morning, as Lily was gathering wildflowers in the meadow, she stumbled upon a mysterious pathway hidden beneath a canopy of trees. Intrigued by the path's secretive allure, Lily decided to follow it deeper into the forest, with Nutmeg scampering alongside her. As they journeyed deeper into the woods, the trees grew taller and the air grew cooler. Sunlight filtered through the leaves, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Suddenly, they came upon a clearing bathed in golden light, where a beautiful crystal fountain stood in the center. Lily approached the fountain, mesmerized by its shimmering waters. She reached out her hand to touch the cool surface, but before she could, a voice called out from the shadows. "Who goes there?" the voice asked, its tone both curious and cautious. Lily turned to see a creature emerge from the underbrush. It was a small, winged fairy with gossamer wings and a mischievous twinkle in her eyes. "I'm Lily," she replied, her voice tinged with wonder. "And this is Nutmeg. We're just exploring the forest." The fairy smiled warmly. "Welcome, Lily and Nutmeg. My name is Aurora, and I am the guardian of this enchanted forest. You are the first human visitors we've had in many years." Lily's eyes widened with excitement. "An enchanted forest? How magical!" Aurora nodded, her wings shimmering in the sunlight. "Indeed, it is a place of wonder and beauty. But it is also a place of great danger. You see, the forest is home to a powerful sorceress named Morgana, who seeks to spread darkness and despair throughout the land." Lily's heart sank at the mention of Morgana's name. "Is there anything we can do to stop her?" she asked, her voice filled with determination. Aurora nodded. "There is a prophecy that foretells of a brave soul who will journey to the heart of the forest and retrieve the crystal of light, the only thing capable of defeating Morgana and restoring peace to the land. Many have tried and failed, but I believe that you, Lily, may be the one to fulfill the prophecy." Lily's eyes widened with determination. "I'll do it," she declared, her voice ringing with resolve. "I'll find the crystal of light and stop Morgana once and for all." With Aurora's guidance, Lily and Nutmeg set out on their quest to find the crystal of light. They journeyed through dark forests and treacherous swamps, facing challenges and overcoming obstacles along the way. But with each step, Lily grew stronger and more determined, fueled by the hope of bringing light back to the land. Finally, after many days of travel, they reached the heart of the forest, where the crystal of light lay hidden beneath a shimmering waterfall. Lily approached the crystal, her heart pounding with anticipation. She reached out her hand and grasped the crystal tightly, feeling its warm energy course through her veins. But as she did, a shadowy figure emerged from the darkness. It was Morgana, the sorceress, her eyes blazing with fury. "So, you think you can defeat me, little girl?" Morgana sneered, her voice dripping with malice. "You may have found the crystal of light, but you'll never be able to harness its power." But Lily stood tall, her eyes shining with courage. "I may be small, but I have something that you will never have, the power of friendship and love." With that, Lily unleashed the power of the crystal of light, sending beams of radiant energy cascading through the forest. The darkness receded, replaced by a warm golden glow that filled the hearts of all who stood witness. Morgana shrieked in rage as she was consumed by the light, vanishing into the shadows from whence she came. And as the last traces of darkness faded away, the forest erupted into cheers and applause. Lily smiled, her heart brimming with joy. With the help of her friends and the power of the Crystal of Light, she had saved the enchanted forest and brought peace to the land once more. And as she and Nutmeg journeyed back to Evergreen, they knew that no matter what adventures lay ahead, they would always be guided by the light of friendship and love.